Hello viewers, today I am back with a new video on TDS process that is effective from 1st of July 2021. What is section 194Q? 194Q is a TDS section that is applicable on purchase of goods. It is to be deducted by the buyer whose turnover is greater than or equal to 10 crores. If seller has the PAN number, 0.1% of the TDS needs to be deducted on purchase consideration that exceeds 50 lakhs between seller and buyer. If the seller does not have the PAN number, 5% of the TDS needs to be deducted on the purchase consideration that exceeds 50 lakhs between seller and buyer. If the seller did not file the ITR for the last 2 years and the TDS or TCS is greater than or equal to 50,000, buyer needs to deduct the 5% of TDS from him, and the TDS is to be deducted at the time of invoice or at the time of payment, whichever is earlier. Let us see the master data updation that is required to calculate the TDS in the invoice. Maintain the PAN number in the vendor master. For this, go to Scene Details tab in the ECC system. If it is an S/4HANA system, go to Country Specific Enhancement tab and Company Code role and maintain the PAN number. Maintain the withholding tax type and tax codes in the withholding tax accounting tab. If it is an S/4HANA system, maintain in supplier withholding tax under Company Code row. We need to maintain both invoice and payment withholding tax codes. Maintain threshold in the vendor master in the exemption tab under the Scene Details. If it is an S/4HANA system, maintain in the Country Specific Enhancement 1 tab under Company Code row. Though the TDS is effective from the 1st of July 2021, purchase consideration for the TDS calculation will be from the 1st of April 2021. So, in this case, you need to maintain the remaining amount that has not yet exceeded the threshold value of 50 lakhs. For example, the total value of the purchases from the 1st of April 2021 to 30th June 2021 is 40 lakhs. Therefore, you need to maintain the remaining 10 lakhs in the exemption threshold field. Let us go to the vendor invoice creation. While booking the invoice, we need to input the section code, otherwise the accumulation process won't work. Let us discuss the 3 cases of invoice booking. Case 1. If the vendor is making the first purchase on July 1st, 2021, and since then there is no purchase from 1st of April 2021, we need to maintain the 50 lakh of threshold amount in the exemption field in the vendor master, so that the TDS will not be calculated till the threshold value is exceeded. Case 2. If the vendor has made purchases that would be worth of 40 lakhs between 1st of April to 30th June 2021, we need to maintain the threshold amount so that the TDS will not be calculated till the 10 lakhs of the purchase value is exceeded. If the transaction is made which is worth of 20 lakhs, TDS will be calculated on the partial amount of 10 lakhs that exceeds the threshold amount. Case 3. If the vendor has already crossed the threshold amount by 1st of July 2021, we need not to maintain any exemption value in the vendor master, so that the TDS calculation will be started for all the transactions that are created on or after July 1st, 2021. This is how the TDS process will work in the purchase section from the 1st of July 2021. For the customization on the TDS calculation will be explained in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Shining off.